so nice. Got a fish. Let me get a picture. Lovely. Well, I guess I'll take one more picture and then I'll go fishing. Let's take a picture. What the heck is that? What the heck? Huh? Okay, there was something right there. Stop!
Hey guys, apparently some guy got missing and died in this ruin, and I think there's this monster called the Rain Monster what lives in these oceans and kills whatever it sees. It's been in everyone, caves and everything. So, this is why I set all these traps everywhere. Traps here, there's a trap over here. Traps over here with meat. So we'll come over, run into that, and die. We've got lasers, everything. So now just see if it comes. Jess! Yes! Oh, what's this here? It's dead! Stupid. Finally! Got it! This is crazy. Everyone's gonna believe me. Right, one last picture. Let me get to my base. I want this. One, let's see. Oh, what the? Pull. Gosh. I think I'm gonna. Time. Oh. Hang. Right. It's. What the? Where'd it go? My traps. Where'd it go? What? Where did all my traps go? The heck? Look at this. My bad girl. That's why I called Tracy. Quickly get to the bone. At the top bit, the one all the way up the top. There you are. Yeah. Ciao. Yes. Come back. Yeah. 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 That's his home. I knew it. I knew it belonged somewhere. Come on. Blood. I knew it. It's the person who died here. Shit on my torch. Ah! Oh, where am I going? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, somebody help! Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Them!